Hey guys, back again with another tutorial. So I'm just going in with my P. Louise base in the shade 2, patting that all over the lid and then going over with a beauty sponge just to blend that all out and just blend into the lid. Then I'm going in with my Be Perfect and Stacey Marie Carnival palette. I'm taking the shade Mood on just a really small sort of detailed fluffy brush. I'm taking this above my crease because I want to really accentuate my eye shape and make it look bigger, so I'm taking my crease higher. Then I'm going in with Showboat and Soft Spot, mixing those two together. I'm taking it on an even smaller brush and I am just blending those edges out and just winging it right out to the end of my brow. I'm taking Y though and blending those edges out as well and just making sure that everything is really nicely blended. Then I'm just taking a little bit of the Lights Out shade, which is the black, just to really intensify where I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm just using the Garnier Micellar Water and a cotton bud just to create my first sort of like cut. And then I'm just going to go in and neaten that up using the suvabeauty liner in the shade Scrunchie. So when you're doing this with the micellar water, you don't need to be overly neat because this will just really finish it off. Then I'm just taking the blank canvas by P. Louise and 𝑬𝒀𝑬𝑺 and I'm just cutting that again, and I am just using this to really sharpen up that liner, even though they're so easy to use anyway, and I am just blending that down onto the lid. Then I'm just taking the shade Ecstasy and really working it into the inner corner and just at the tail of my brow. Then I'm just going in with the Glow Girl, or this might be Raver paint, and I am just creating this just little like round ovally shape at the front of my eye, and I'm just blending that with blank canvas. I'm then using the suvabeauty liner in the shade Dance Party and I am just outlining that. I just really like these colours together. I thought they stood out pretty well. Then I'm just using the NYX glitter glue and some glitter to add to the centre. Then I am just taking the shade Mood again on that fluffy brush and I'm just creating a really nice winged out effect at the end. I'm just using all the colours that we use for the crease and just bringing those in to create just like a little wing. Then I'm just using the blank canvas paint just to cut that so it's kind of neat. It looks more like a wing, and just neaten it up on the bottom as well. Then I'm just taking my rhinestones and just placing some rhinestones in certain areas. Then I'm just using blank canvas on my waterline and going in with my Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Then I'm going in with Brow Jam Brown Sugar and using the magic brush to create hair strokes. Look how sharp that is. This is why I love that. Then I am just taking the Booty lashes by Primalash and just adding those to my outer corners and using the Tatty Lash and 𝑚mitchell lower lashes to my lower lash line. I'm obsessed with these. Then I'm just taking the Morphe liner in Bite Me and I'm just overlining my lips and just drawing kind of those on. Then I'm taking the shade C'est La Vie by Doll Beauty and adding that, and then just a little bit of MAC's Best of Me in the centre to lighten it all up and blend it in with my finger. Then I'm using NYX Madeline Gloss and just putting that right into the centre just so that I look really glossy, juicy, big lips, you know. Then I'm just taking my Sleek highlight, which I totally almost dropped there, and I'm just adding it to my inner corner and brow bone. Then this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!